Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to autoplay video on Facebook. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, to make sure your Facebook app is up to date, you can update the app in your App Store or Play Store. Now launch your Facebook app. Once you've launched the updated Facebook app, take a look at the bottom navigation bar. Here you have various icons. Locate the menu option and tap on it. Here, scroll down a bit and you will find Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option, followed by Settings. Under Settings, look for a section labeled Media. Here, all your preferences related to media playback reside. Tap on Media to access these settings. Within the media settings, you'll encounter an option specifically dedicated to video playback. Look for a setting labeled Autoplay. Facebook offers you a range of options to configure video autoplay behavior. On mobile data and Wi-Fi connections, choosing this option allows videos to play automatically regardless of whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or using your mobile data plan. On Wi-Fi connections only, this is a data-saving option. Videos will only autoplay when your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Never autoplay videos, this option completely disables autoplay. So just choose either on a mobile data and Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi only depending on your preference. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.